Hi guys, welcome to Art GCSE. What we're going to be going through today is why to choose art as a GCSE. So in Art GCSE, you build your skills, you then transfer that into your own artwork, and we create a lovely portfolio using a range of different techniques. So the way it goes is we have a 60% portfolio project and then a 40% exam project. So if you're good at coursework and good at managing your time, this is the subject for you. As you can see in front of you, this is the way that we mark and assess you. So it's in 4 different categories. So it is to develop from the artist, to refine your different media use, to then record with drawing and photos, and then present your own final outcome. So what are you going to learn in Art GCSE? So the way we run it, we have in year 10 a skills building project. That's the architecture project, which you can see in front of you. This starts from when you begin in year 10 to January. So we're looking at the artist. As you can see in front of you, we're looking at watercolour with one artist. We look at oil pastel transfer with the other. We then look at pencil for another. So we're looking at the different techniques and medias, building your skills up ready for your 60% project portfolio. This is an example of the portfolio project, and you can see here there's 2 very different projects. So this is a current year 11's work, and you can see it's got a range of different medias hitting all the assessment criteria. So on the left you can see there's acrylic painting of lovely fox and penguin there, and a lovely pen drawing at the bottom showing that different ranges of media to then have the final outcome, which is the deer at the bottom. And on the right you can see there's a different style of art that they've selected, which has got acrylic, we've got pen, to create that final outcome in the middle. So you see 2 very different styles of work, and it shows the range of styles that you can select, and it all shows what you're interested in and what you want to build yourself as an artist. So the techniques we do, we've got drawing techniques, looking at different ways of using pencil. There's photography skills that we can build as well, to looking at composition and looking at editing that as well. We then look at acrylic painting, getting a high level of detail with acrylic painting, looking at oil pastel with biro, experimenting as well, and then looking at other artists. So you get to pick the artists that you want to do in your portfolio project. So you'll then have more ownership, and also it shows more what you're interested in. We have a bit of collage as well, and then it all rounds off to a final piece. So these are some of the final pieces that we've had in the past. There's some lovely range of different styles that are in there. So what also is amazing about this course is that we have some amazing trips to London, going places maybe abroad as well, to sort of do some drawing and seeing some art around the UK and abroad. There's some amazing, fantastic careers that you can have with art. The creative industry is the 2nd largest industry in the world. So there's lots of jobs there are for the creative industry. So it's really fantastic subject to pick to open up your doors to do with a creative industry. Guys, I hope you've had all your questions answered. But if you have any more, then come see your art teachers. We would love to speak to you about it. And thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you now.